All right, I think today is going to be a big day for this bike. I'm going to try to take the swing arm off the old bike, get it onto the new bike with a kickstand, just mock it up for now. Right now I'm also waiting on the special tool for the exhaust nuts, so until I get that I can't take the engine out. But for today I want both the wheels and the kickstand on this frame, just to be able to get it off the table and wheel it around. I understand that it'll have to come back off for the engine to go back in, but we'll get to that when we get to it. So typically you need a special tool to get the swing arm off. This is a 27mm deep socket I got from Lowe's. Apparently this Cobalt brand is pretty close fit. I still had to end up grinding a little bit of the edges off here for it to fit into the recess there. But now that I did that, I can get the socket in there and start to take this apart. All right, got the rear out. Spilled some oil, but look how clear that is. I'm hoping that that's a good sign that the splines are in good condition as well. All the drive shaft bolts had really good copper anti-seize on them, so they came out pretty easily. So that's a good sign, knowing that someone was in here doing the right thing. So there you go. This marks the first time I've been able to sit down and wheel around the bike on the new frame, and it's a huge milestone. It's an amazing feeling from going to, man, I hope I can fix this bike, to, man, this is gonna be a fun bike. Thanks for watching.